We have to have your vehicle in-house to assure proper fitment. Make sure to follow us on all social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. With all major brands in stock, Rich's has you covered. At Rich's, you can pick your muffler and your tips before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we also carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.